Alright guys, I got the transfer case shaft motor out. So what we need to do, we need to disassemble this and we just take everything out and we see how it goes. The first thing we need to do, we need to take the motor, the actual motor out. We need to we use T25. Let me just get my thing. Yes. Yeah, once you remove the screw, just do very carefully. Make sure you just disconnect the motor. Make sure it all comes together with those plastic, otherwise you're gonna have problem with the brush. So let me just try to take it off that one as well, because you need to take everything together, even with this one. You see, you just slowly, yeah, that one is out. If you don't take with this connection out, you're gonna mess up all the brush, everything. You see here is got all the connection, so if you don't take it out with this, you're gonna have problem, and then you might be buy the new motor. Yeah, so we got one here. The next thing we need to do, we need to take off that low thing here. You see, yeah, once we take this one off, and then we can remove the top here. So in this one, I'll try to maybe use 2 screwdrivers. Let me just get another one. Okay, so let me take my gloves out. It's sensitive, so I think better without gloves. Okay, so it's just a really tiny thing. If you don't take that one off, you can't do this. And let's get another screwdriver, maybe with this. Okay, and then maybe that one. Yeah, that's how you take the thing out. Once you take that one off, you try to take this cover, which is, you just need to get inside that. That's it. Just get it with the E83 and then might be try to push it from here. Yeah, let me get a torch. Yeah, you can push it from here. Let's see. Just very tight. Let's go with the E83. So just put a little bit E40 around this corner and make sure I can take this one completely out. Very tight. Let me see what's the best option for it. Yeah, just slowly. You see, it's out, and now you can take the whole thing. So look at, guys, look at the gear, how badly it's damaged compared to here. Look at here. Let me get my new gear. This is a new gear, and let's see how it is. So that one, you can separate it. Yeah, you can clearly see what's going on here. That's what happened. Even works this side. Look at here. So I'm gonna put this one back. Try to clean it. So here is just plastic. You know, it's all the plastic peel. So just try to put in here. Nice clean. So we got this one. I clean this. I'm gonna use some grease. This is a special grease. So just tiny bit put here, just around here to make it nice, and then I will put just a little bit. You don't need a lot of grease, just put a little bit on here, and once you put that one back, you can put everything back. So this one's back. Now we put that one back. It's really nicely everything right here. Just make sure that one is good. Okay, get this back. Don't need any more. So now we can put this one back that's a cover with the seal. So I just clean it nicely, and yeah, make sure no any peel plastic. Okay, maybe a little bit more grease just around the seal, just to protect the the seal. So now everything's good. Try to put, I think just a little bit bent, so we're gonna make it short. This one because we just pull it. Let me get another screwdriver. So that's nice straight. Just turn it here. You see, is that nice straight? So now we can try to put everything nicely. Just get a little bit tap, hold it on. Yeah, just get a little bit tap, hold it on. Make sure everything is nice. Let me just get another thing. Looks like, oh yeah, actual bearing you need to line up. So now I put almost there. Let me just slowly tap it. Yeah, you just have to really slowly change it. Just tap it. Yeah. Just tap it. You can put the bolt back. Yeah. Just slide the bolt across to make sure everything is nice balanced. And finally, you just tie that by hand. And just tie it nicely all around, and that's it. So the job done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put everything back to the car, and yeah, once it goes all the way here, once everything back, I do another video, and I do another diagnostic, and you see how it goes.